What's good, YouTube? This is Anthony Lyons back with another video. This one's gonna be a good one, probably gonna be one of my favorites. I'm back on Kitsap Lake here and I have a Tundra. Yep, another Tundra. If you guys have looked at my past videos, I own the gray Tundra over there, and this is the client's customer, good guy, Mike. Hi, Mike. Mike brought me this Tundra after watching one of my videos of the Tundra video that I did, and we are going to do some really cool stuff to this Tundra. Mike has all of this gear. He already had it. It's all his. We got adapter rings that I'm going to change over to ABS plastic. We got JBL subwoofers and a custom box already done. We've got Hertz, we've got Helix, and we got JL amps, LC7i. We're keeping the factory radio. We got cell panels. We got everything. We got bass knob. This is going to be a fun one. I'm a big fan of these speakers and amps. I'm going to put in the description all of the model numbers if anyone is interested. But follow this build. This is going to be a nice, clean sound quality build, something that's up my alley. One of my favorite things in car audio is sound quality. So please stay tuned for this nice Tundra install on Kitsap Lake. All right, YouTube. So up first on the Tundra install, we're going to take care of the front and rear speakers. As I mentioned, the customer, Mike, good old Mike, I tell you what, Mike's one of my all-time favorite customers already. He already had these templates. They are made for the Tundra. He has the front door ones and also the rears. The fronts are 619, so we're going to take those 619s out, put these 6.5-inch Helix speakers in, and then he had also purchased new cell panels for the tweeters. So we're gonna put the Hertz in the rear and the Helix in the back, Hertz in the rear, Helix in the front. So what I'm gonna do is made a deal with Mike. I'm gonna keep these so I have a good template. I'm lazy and I totally forgot to I make all my rings out of ABS and PVC, but I forgot to make them for a future install. So I'm gonna keep these MDF ones and I'm gonna make him some really nice plastic ones. So that way in the door, we won't have any problems with moisture, and they will last a lifetime. What's up, Chase? Say hi to Chase. What's up, dude? So I got my cranberry and vodka and my PVC, and we are going to make the front door adapters and the rear. So stay tuned. All right, YouTube, back at it again on the Tundra. As you see from the past pictures and video that we have all the speakers are installed, front doors, rear doors. Again, the Helix components are in the front and the Hertz are in the rear. Now we're on to the amplifier install as well as the LC7i. LC7i is gonna go over there on the passenger side. You got the 4-channel GL here on the driver's side. Made a mount so the airflow will still go underneath. And the monoblock JL will be in the back for the 2 tins, 2 JL tins. So stay tuned for pictures and video for the amplifier install. Stay tuned. And there you have it, all done with the 2016 TRD Toyota Tundra. Again, one of my favorite vehicles, because again, I have one. Everything went in really well. We got the Helix 6.5s and tweeters in the door, or tweeters in the door in the cell panel. Remember, the customer brought everything, brought all the gear. We got the JL audio 400 by 4, and JL, I think that's a 500D. We got the LC7i over there, got all the crossovers over there. The cover plate for the factory little radio deal goes over there. There's a distribution block. You'll see all in the pictures. 2 tins, JL audio custom box. Customer brought the vehicle to me with all the seats removed, which was really nice of him. Thanks, Mike. So he'll put those back in, the ones that are out. But overall, probably best sounding system for AO design so far. Really clean. For not having a DSP processor or anything, it really plays really well. Oh, there's also a bass knob for the system. So please like and subscribe to AO Designs. Stay tuned for the next Tundra and many other installs to come. Stay tuned.